Welcome to the political rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Seeing the video makes me feel like I should have been there to slap the woman from behind. How can look at a woman of your caliber? Look at the way she was. Even people are calling you in to order, and you are still there saying you think you can bully me, and that's silly. Really? Anyway, look at the kind of person she followed there. So there's no wonder she could have behaved this way. Then you call yourself a lawyer, and this kind of a woman is going to head a whole petroleum commission. My goodness. What at all is she going to do there? She's only going to create loot and share with Mahama. She's only going there to misbehave and collapse the commission. She's only going there to misbehave and collapse the commission. This stupid woman, excuse me to use the word, but she's stupid because she can look at somebody's husband, somebody's head of a family, and call him silly. You call yourself a lawyer, somebody who has studied all this while, and you come into public, not even behind doors, in public, to disgrace yourself like this. Does this woman has a family? Does she has a husband? Are there people who look up to such a person? What kind of country are we running? What at all is happening here? Can't people call this stupid woman to order? You can look at somebody's husband, somebody's head of a family, and talk to him like this, as if he's your son, your little child in the house, or what? The fact that the MPPs are not coming out to misbehave like the way they are doing on the street doesn't mean people cannot speak. Oh, Massa, they should give us a break. You want to run a country, and the whole country has been handed over to you, so they should stop misbehaving and do the right thing before people jump over them. What kind of nonsense is this? What at all did you go to do there? What was the benefit of her going there? What role at all did she go and play there apart from disgracing herself like this? What kind of a woman are you? And who are you? Is she the only woman who went there? Is she the only woman who went there? She should stop being stupid. She should stop being stupid before some people start misbehaving towards her. This kind of a woman is going to head a whole petroleum commission. I pity a country called Ghana. And in fact, I am really pissed off. I am really pissed off. If I should meet this woman on the street, she will regret even accepting the appointment.
Any man is appointment we heavy appointment.
That's your big girlfriend as I say yo. Na say Tracy Boakye kai chere is a girlfriends no more doors. Until now they are coming out. Tracy Boakye kai chere is a girlfriends no more than 15. Until ye chicha appointment na more. Idiot. Stupid woman. She's a silly woman herself. She and her entire household. Oye. Kwasia baba. Honestly, in fact, I saw the video and I nearly cried. The way my heart is beating, my goodness. Somebody, a whole region a whole constituency has voted for her. She should go and stand for assemblyman and win, and let's see. She should go and contest for assemblywoman.
Give me her name. I need to read a little about her to know this thing biography because somebody living in
lawyer and you don't know much. You need to be
all of a sudden.
Who a lawyer not you need to be taught this.
The voice.
A sunu book adwin and a sunu fie nyansa nti so ye lawyer no so nim nyansa e say nyansa
go ni profile wo ho nti bo kire o hwe ni profile na ka kire o na no ka na nye no kro nye lawyer bia the voice ka kire
okay
the voice my heart is boiling too much. I will come back.
Was apologizing on her behalf our parliament. What she did was the NDC people condemn about it because that act is not supposed to be into no. Yeah, all of them. And almost everyone was annoyed about this. So the NDC, Obi Kasahom. One will say, the NDC people are apologizing. In Penifone apologize you, but grassroots for no muguasi honom no. No si nyansa wo mutrim no muguasi honom no si nyansa wo mutrim no. They are rather condemning say what the woman they are rather saying say what the woman did was right. I'm asking say your papa and now say unue bi and ayaye ni say in public. Look at what the woman said. I was even shocked. Hey, uso wako school mponi ye wo fie nyansa ne wo school nyansa. You will fear nyansa and it was school nyansa. I told Diana me nim adia nego. I think say Sebe, I'm not classifying everybody, but in many people when they get into a position and they think say they are on top of the world. Can we say 4 years and mubedio, muhoni munana mo. And you're making use of it. No, nim no mobile position. A bayan is safe and uncle Bishak in Japan. Over so the better no, but nothing poto. And can no quite and away them me support, but me boom in same man. Sometimes the way we talk, and no, uncle for show, we those that we are down there, yeah, shemo. Yes, more MPs for nene how to learn from you people. So watch nebi yasu ye bedru baby amwedru. If you start with insult, how much I bet then I this in Indian and all the atom. If in a man who where it's coming from. If in a man where the insult is coming from. I bet then no mundia because we be in an all kind of crana no the atom. Do you call this bully? So friend Michael man also stop it. Omon pesa and no one no. Or say you cannot tell me what I should say. Who do you think you are? Who you why? Who betu penifoni bi wo mo. Esla wusumone your friend is saying how I come sin nemone omo keka. You came to meet them in the game and who bad bang? Who bad bang? To the extent that your own people are condemning you. Me ferry crowd will meet mano.
Me to Esla. But me say Esla koja baby public catch up be my so silly. Sa we level of arrogance we say mami we so mami o so ya baba wo so wan you ntimi no. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Now we the first time wa ba ni ana wa baby da. Oh, can you imagine? Oh. Auntie ene no mu jeja Harry na nja no papa. Omo kwa fa ni begina home no on red apology no. Ena mo akukuru sa position dia man so onje keke no fendi nkwasem me mo me de se ma ha ma obetie pa de we oyi ni fefiri ho no won se be ma kwasea ejimifo be ma se I mean come on MP na okoye ne sa no itipend no lawyer ni ya so obi enya asem a woto a woda mpaso na obon mpaso obi nya asem na kokotwa ntro ne yesikadi obi nya asem a wunye sika wo na kwakwasi we ho MP so oyeden no me mom de me person render public way apology na go say am kaka kan chenche won de won ba be ye be ma me say but Ghana I don't know and e be do bia na me ni wi ase say ye de oba be jan say president any be ma na me ntom fama oba no be president and the vice no mbedi vice be of the time be ma ne cha no ya kasa atafre can say main way say because oba nya position on who command CEO command a bigger position e jimi na ye more I don't know. Na on nanti obi aso nti ene de bia se yakopon bo ye ne se yenye mema boafo de bia na ye boafo ne edi chiri yakwa ne vice na se kwakọ hold the main we say ne de dabi mahama take bibi mfiri we say na onje sa de ne fefiri ne sem na onje ajimi no na we de what as onam koye duma de no mawu yo me that's why me that